Welcome to the historic coastal town of Lymington, on the southern edge of the New Forest. Starting on St Thomas Street, we have the Six Bells Witherspoons pub. The original pub, called the Six Bells, stood next door to this one and was used as the headquarters of the bell ringers from the adjacent St Thomas Church. St Thomas, Lymington. This parish church has been a place of worship since 1250. The original foundations are believed to date back to the reign of Henry III, but was largely rebuilt in the 17th and 18th centuries. Rashley Mews, the home to Lymington's post office. The building here was built in 1765 as a townhouse for the local aristocratic Burrard family. It's now home to a solicitor's firm. This is the Lymington United Reformed Church. It was created in 1972 when the Presbyterian Church of England and the Congregational Church in England and Wales formally merged. The Angel and Blue Pig Inn, located within a 13th century building with 14 bedrooms. There's been many tales of smugglers' tunnels leading from the town quay up to the Angel Inn. The High Street looks mainly Georgian, but there's a mix of Georgian, Victorian, Art Deco with some traces of medieval architecture. The Stanwell House. Over the centuries the building served as a private home, a finishing school for girls, as solicitors and finally in 1945 a hotel. Refurbished in 2022 at a cost of £3 million, the Stanwell House is now one of the most luxurious boutique hotels in the area. The King's Head, dating back at least 300 years. Many of the original features can still be seen today, such as the beams made from Napoleonic ships and the Great Open Fire. We are now heading down Key Hill, an historic cobbled street leading from the High Street down to the harbour. It is featured in many productions, most recently ITV's Forgotten series. The town began as an Anglo-Saxon village. From the Middle Ages and up to the 19th century, Lymington was well known for its salt making, and from the early 19th century, a thriving shipbuilding industry. An accessible and well-sheltered tidal river estuary gave rise to a heavily used quay over the centuries. Maritime trade, including the exporting of wool and salt, while imports for the town and beyond included fish, wine, coal and timber. This bustling area would have once been a rough and disreputable area. The shipping, dating back to 1850. We're on the west bank of the Lymington River, on the edge of the Solent. There's a variety of different trips available here, enjoying the views of the marina and towards the Solent to see the Isle of Wight. Lymington is one of the UK's premier yachting centres with a number of marinas. There are sailing clubs with regular races and world-famous regattas taking place throughout the season. You can see the ferry departing from the pier on the other bank of the river. The vehicle and passenger service operated by Whitelink takes around 40 minutes to Yarmouth on the Isle of Wight. Bath Road Recreation Park. The site includes a play area, pond and bandstand, which hosts performances in the summer. A decorative cast iron memorial gas lamp dating from 1832 commemorates the introduction of gas street lighting in the town and the benevolence of two brothers in enabling this. Lymington's famous seawater baths date back to 1833. These are the oldest seawater baths in the UK and are very popular during the summer months. Lymington Lifeboat Station. For over 50 years, an inshore lifeboat at Lymington has covered an area of the Western Solent. 6 awards have been presented to members of the lifeboat crew for gallantry. I hope you enjoyed this visit to Lymington. There are links in the description below for my videos of Lyndhurst and the New Forest. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, enable notifications so you don't miss the next episode. See you next time.